That's the valve tool.
Let's just say all the air is out, right?
Yeah.
I want to line this bad boy up right here. You want to stay away from this.
Okay. Stay away from the valve.
Let's try going in the middle here.
Yeah.
So up is forward is down.
Oh, that just pushes it.
Yeah. So that breaks the bead, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So that breaks the bead. So let's say we went around, did all the sides, broke the beads. So we want this. Say everything's broke. We put this bad boy up here. Slap it on top. And then this guy will lock it. This one right here.
Yeah.
We bring this guy out. This guy right here. Forward.
Yeah.
You bring this guy down to here. And this guy, so everything's broken, right?
Yeah. So that'll just push it down.
Yeah, push it down. And then this bad boy here. Say it's broken, we're gonna pop it up. Bring it like this, bring it over the lip. So
Yeah.
this is the tire. Bring the tire up like that. Round it, or pop it up, pop it up. You can hear it pop, pop.
Yeah. So you just put the edge of the tire up on this hook here, right?
This should come down.
Oh, there it is. You just push it down with your hand.
Well, you shouldn't. And that should.
Then you do it to the other side.
Yeah, then it'll be up. Same thing. So
Then you pull that up.
Yeah, you pull that up. Put that on the lip. Lift it up. And just go around and it should pop up.
And there you go.
And then,
Just reverse it to put it back on, eh?
yes and no. This back. This. Come down like this. This will help you put the other bead on. So you do it the other way. This guy will come here. So when you're doing it, this guy will sit on the sitting there like this.
Yeah.
Push it down, same thing. Sit the rim on and it'll turn and you can push it in, right? You push the tire back on.
Yeah.
Same thing, you're gonna be rotating it. It's just vice versa, but if you can't get it on like with this, then you use this guy. I think it's too hard to put on.
Okay. Then you put the valve back in and
Yeah. Air it up. See, it doesn't air. See, you need a little extra boost. Pretty cool because
that opens it up. Close it.
You want to sit this guy right, so this is going to be snug, right?
Yeah.
Going to be snug. Loose yourself.
Hold on.
Do that on the valve.
What does that thing do?
Watch.
Okay.
So it's gonna go. It's gonna push a bunch of air. You can't catch the beads, so you're gonna fill it up.
So that forces the beads up against the rim.
So it gives you a little extra push, right? Because sometimes this doesn't catch the air.
Yeah.
So you're gonna sit this in here, and you just fucking pop it right up.
Okay.
And then that's what this ball is.
Excellent. Yeah. So that's extra pressure when the valve doesn't push enough air in. You use that
Yeah, so you got the
to push it there.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with this, eh? Because you see how it rotates one way.
Yeah.
So you want to try to start here. You want to stay away as far as this as you can. So you want to start right about here, because you don't want to wreck this.
Yeah.
Because some of them have sensors, right?
And you can wreck the sensor.
Yeah. So just go like this, all the way, all the way, all the way. Stop.
Okay. Okay.
You can even go the other way too. Either way.
Excellent. Okay. Perfect. Well, thanks for showing me that.
If you ever need help, just let me know. I love my mechanics.
If I call these guys, would they be able to get somebody to come in and certify students on this stuff? That way they could at least have a ticket?
I would think